thing where you do so. Why you go come outside for the media because say the party must hold? Now some party they take the hold. Epa, you don't understand what waiting go on. You don't understand Epa. You don't understand what is up. Tell me now, Epa, you don't understand the scenario we play for that place. You don't understand. Waiting play so. Now joke matter. No, waiting play so. Now laugh matter, Epa. When you take come outside, the marriage must take place. Epa, now you get marriage. She will only marriage in Epa. Epa, if you need marriage, go marry, give your children. May them marry. May them do marriage, may them take Ankara. This is not about marriage. This is about life and death. This is about life and death, Epa. Epa Murphy. This is about life and death. Epa Murphy. If you don't know, let me tell you. The marriage must take place. See the way you talk him. Is it your family? Did you know him? Not be because of say on come for the same bini. Not be online and say no on herself. Why you want to destroy the life of Enogie? What did Enogie do for you? Why you not tell Enogie say he offend you, make he beg you? Epa? Because this one when me they look now, you can't be like say Enogie offend you before. You won't deal with Enogie. You won't flog Enogie cane. Why? Baby Uncle, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Why you not tell Enogie? Say Enogie offend you before. You supposed to tell her say, Enogie, you offend me, I won't deal with you. Why? Why you tell Enogie the marriage must take place? Epa, what it concern Enogie marriage? What it concern you, Epa? Are you the one that said they should do? Are you the one that tell Enogie say as Franco Moswo don't pay dowry, then you say go pay your wife? I been now you cook the marriage. Now you cook and now you make you feel come as I can't tell us. Tell us say the marriage must take place for what? Epa, do you know what? You know what's up again all over the world. Cutie juice, everybody carry this matter. Everybody at the social media say be. Nobody will no carry this matter with data. Just like that. Oh no, Epa Murphy. Epa Murphy, me I not like Amo. Mama testing you loju, Modetin testing you loju. Epa acts like a father into the life of Enogie and act like an elder brother into the life of Enogie. Epa, you too, you come from Benin as a traditional man, but Epa, you are playing your role very well. Hey, I forget to Nana, remember, Epa said they fighting wife. I don't see Epa self who fighting wife one day. Where then they fight serious. Oh, Shagombugo. Oh, Nana, I remember saying Epa, yellow wife. Now I see the other day with it. Epa, you see her? Epa, you not good for Enogie. Epa, come out for Enogie life. Epa, come out for Enogie back. Epa, dress come out for where Enogie day. Because now the way you they say they do. Now Enogie self they say they do. You they fight your wife. Enogie self they fight in wife. You say you they give your wife basbos. Enogie self they give your wife basbos. Epa, be come out. You know, don't be godfather to anybody. Epa, you are not a good godfather, and your wife is not a good godmother to Mama Nora. Epa, carry your godfather. Go find person where you want be godfather, not Mama Nora. That lady get 4 beautiful children where she won't take care of her life. Epa, no let Enogie go buy this woman. This woman say the place where they do operation when him born, Enogie put kick inside. He kick am. Enogie no think about this woman life. Enogie leave her for damn till this woman take pass. Wait, she take friends. Epa, leave Enogie alone. Epa, leave Enogie alone. Leave Mama Nora alone. Epa, go far distance away from those people. I beg. Epa, that marriage, cancel that. Shebi that you come outside and say marriage take place. Epa, cancel that marriage. This is not about marriage. This is oh, Seloba. This is not about marriage. Not be about marriage, might be this one. This one not be about marriage. Not be about any person want to buy Ankara. Mona go so on Ankara, mo kona we Ankara. Oh, that. Thank you. God bless you, Okomi. Washuri Unidam. Ushi Okomi. This one not be Ankara. If you buy your Ankara, either you keep your Ankara till next year. That marriage will be postponed. Enogie need to fix himself before that marriage take place. This one not be marriage what they want to. This one a forced marriage. Marriage where they force person to do. No any marriage. Mama Nora, don't do any marriage. I love you as a sister. Not because I'm a single mother. Now you make me the come outside because I want you to be a single mother. No. It's better for you to tell your husband, say, let the dowry stand as it is stand. Make your people not return the dowry. Make Enogie still be your husband, but make Enogie leave your house. Make it go camp. Make Enogie go find in life. Make Enogie know wetin and they call man. Because that camp where they Enogie go sweep the camp. Enogie go chase camp with man like camp. When that one don't wake up in the morning, clean the house, Enogie no gree clean. That one go give and talk. Why? Say, why, oh guy, why are you dirty like this? Let him go and learn from that camp. Make Enogie go learn from that camp. Make it dead there. Make it chase that camp. So that he go feel understand life. Say, yes, I really fuck up. Enogie no say he fuck up. And on a court tell and say, make it go back home. Epa, you can't tell Enogie to go back home, Epa. Anytime you or that. Don't not fẹ́ bá yé ẹlòmíì jẹ́ òun lọ̀rọ̀ ipá ẹni táyé òṣùwọ̀n tó wá fẹ́ bá ọ̀rọ̀ ayé èèyàn jẹ́ òun lè pa. Wetin happen? You know they go back home, Enogie, pack your things and go back. Mama Nora, never be shamed. The disgrace, you don't chop am enough. You don't collect the disgrace from all of us hand. You don't collect and you don't take am bath. You don't dey inside room, you don't cry silent. When nobody see you, when we say you cry, say, God, which kind of life I come? I can feel your pain secretly. I can feel it. Inside of you, say, God, which kind molestion be this? I can feel it. But Mama Nora, I beg, don't swallow that pain like that. Mama Nora, walk that man out of your house. Tell him that our marriage day on hold, but you have to leave the house. Stay from far, make us stay my own. Then things go take day okay. If Enogie can't day okay, and you can't fix Enogie automatic to the house, then you self no say time for you to walk. The thing no go come shift for your head. You said go carry the children go school. Your children, you said you go work. Enogie said go work. Then on both of una go they pay money, they pay the house rent. That's all I go take better. Don't depend on the government money, Mama Nora. No. How long you want to depend on the government money? How long? Have you ever sit down and think, say, for future, you go grow, you go old? Where you want stay if you go old, Mama Nora? Daddy, load that thing. Where you want stay if you old? Tell me. What do you want eat for future? Now work where you work now. Now the pension, now you go enjoy at a future. Government money no be your fair money. If they pay these people money the way that they say they give us money, then they give us money so that we go fit stand on our feet. When we stand on our feet, finish work, we go work. But a lot of us don't understand. A lot of us still say we they rob them. We they rob them for our own. Me, I go talk to you, we they rob them. Because you not standing up and go and work, you are robbing them. Because I don't stay Italy before. What in Germany they do for us, Italy not do for us. I love Italy. I like Italy as a country. I like it. But waiting we they get here, we not get up for Italy. If we get up for Italy, we not go come. So then come here to fix you as a make you day on a normal track. Then when they fix you finish, you start your life. But some of us, no one work. You want use the opportunity to collect their money. On a not CC on a be only. Now I make on a government. Baba Jagaba they drill on a. On a no fit talk. Because on a self na thief on a be. On a self na thief on a be only. Barawu. 419 now na be. So make yourself go work. Make it come up for us. Enogie come up for us. Now today you reach us. The same day when you reach us, you don't on camera. You don't they talk your wife life history again. As you they talk and say, the woman said they talk up. On a constant they expose more secrets they come aside. On a they expose more secret. The way Enogie won't carry himself as a man up. Now so the Mama Nora they carry you, they come down. I they watch the video this morning. I laugh, only me one. We are not going to say, it should be tell you say for the second picking you come by Papa, say I get 800 euro. When Mama Nora go carry the matter for Enogie, now you say, okay, when we come see Papa, why you not pay Papa? Because you don't get money, you want to pay Papa. Oh, Enogie. You be person when be say, maybe na 100 euro you they receive for social media, you say na 1,800. Only run Enogie. Enogie, you bad, you say, fucking nigga. Oh, Enogie. I believe say that money when you show that day where you say na social media money. I believe say na that card where they collect online, you go beg Mama Nora make collect that card. That card where they take they give person money, that Visa card where then they put they'll put 7,000 inside. I believe say na that one you can't go textile withdraw 2,000, 3,000 to show people say na money where they collect. Oh no, Johnny and Enogie, I know see they go. I know see they go. Now what do you go collect with that? Yes, oh, God card. Thank you. Now you go collect they do a lampo for them. You don't get shishi. Shishi you don't get. As you won't carry yourself, your wife they carry you come down. As you won't carry yourself, your wife they carry you. Your wife say, my children, let's go inside to go and sleep. He doesn't even care about you. But that, don't you see? You don't even fear your life. With the anger where they Mama Nora body, if you mess up with this woman again, he go buy you. And a mistake she go take by you. Because of with the anger and the frustration, say every day you go to beat me. One day you go take something, go hit your head, your pie. Whatever day you don't drink MSC, and you not go know. And Eddie Murphy come aside. Eddie Murphy say the marriage must take place for waiting. Which marriage they take place? Go where? If something go happen now, I think the same Eddie Murphy go come aside now. Come they tell all of us say, and I tell them, Eddie Murphy. You not talk anything. I grab your video. I owe your video because of tomorrow. I pray nothing bad go happen. So that nothing bad go happen. Now make me come outside come to Enogie today. Now make me come outside come to Enogie today. You get woman, you they make mad. I love her. Which woman where you love? You don't love Mama Nora. From far, and they say, you don't love this woman. And a lot of people, they say you don't love her. This woman said, no, say you don't love her. If you love her, all those things, we got to see them from outside of the camera. Your home, you inside the camera, we got to see her. Inside the camera, we just say you don't love her. Now, this woman, they put more effort. More effort. Mama Nora, you carry this guy, this Agbaya man, you carry him too much. Hey, your husband and a girl husband where they clean house only once in 3 years when your husband clean that bedroom. Once in 3 years. Now get it to kuku. Now you no get to clean that place. You constant video and say make you still make him better man. You put him for there. The day once in 3 years, so you carry the children go play, you still record them. You still record them. Mama Nora no record this one again. Only Yoruba sọ pé tó bá ṣípá òun no ngbe. Enogie ò ṣípá o gbé jù sílẹ̀. Na person wey raise his hand na you go carry. The one wey no raise hand leave his hand there. Enogie no raise hand. Mama Nora no dey carry Enogie. No carry Enogie. Enogie no raise hand. Mama Nora, I support you. You can never make this sacrifice. You can never make my women them. We need to try to understand very, very well. Enogie no be person where woman they make sacrifice for. No, Enogie no be that kind of person. Enogie no be that kind of person. Enogie is a woman beater. Enogie na man where no they respect woman. Enogie na man where no they assist the children. Enogie na man where they beat pikin where pikin go take go coma. Enogie no deserve for Mama Nora to make that sacrifice. No more sacrifice. Enogie, make your sacrifice for yourself. But Enogie, one thing I want to tell you, look at your front. Look at your front as you sit down. So check your front. You not be small picking again. Before you know, you spend 10 years, you still there without no document. Then you come to say you don't old finish. So the earlier the better for you to start them now. Come on for house for Mama Nora. Now government now you get the house, not be you they pay. Olodo Enogie. Not be you they pay for the house. If now the house where you they pay now you go buga for. The house belongs to the government. Go away from the house. The house belongs to Mama Nora and the children given by the government of Deutschland. Go away. They don't need you for the house. Go make the house cool. Go camp, go stay. Try to do things normal as it's supposed to do. Go camp, go first relax. They from far, they talk to your wife. They from far, they settle things with your wife. Tell them, say, honey, don't worry, everything is going to be fine. Go collect more training for outside before you go back. Before now go do proper marriage. This one by first marriage. Go do Martin in I want to make shame no catch me. It's better make shame catch on her than make one person can't go down for it. Mama Nora, if you die, I go post your wakekeeping. Enogie, if you die, I go post your wake keeping. I talk soon.